Hi everyone, in today's lesson we want to solve for this value of P plus Q in this given problem. If 1 over P plus 1 over Q equal to 1 over 12, what will be the value of P plus Q? Solution: we have 1 over P plus 1 over Q equal to 1 over 12. First thing here, we simplify the left hand side. So we have P plus Q over PQ equal to 1 over 12. We can rewrite this as this. So this is what we have. We have Q plus P over PQ. Okay, this is what we have. If we multiply this by this, we have Q. This multiplied by this, we have P. Then the LCM, we have PQ. So we can still write it as this. Over here, we multiply both sides, these two sides, by PQ. So we have P plus Q equal to 1 over 12 PQ. Now this can be written as equal to PQ equal to PQ over 12. We can multiply both sides by 12. That will give us 12 into bracket P plus Q equal to PQ. This will be eliminated. So we multiply 12 by the bracket. We have that to be equal to 12P plus 12Q equal to PQ. Now from here, we can write both sides by moving all this to this side. So we have PQ minus 12P minus 12Q equal to 0. So we have the multiplication of 12 by 12 to give us 144. So in order to be able to simplify this proper, we have to consider adding 144 to this side and to this side. So doing that, we have PQ minus 12P minus 12Q plus 144 equal to 144. Now we can now factorize this as P into bracket Q minus 12, then minus 12 into bracket Q minus 12, everything equal to 144. And this is written as Q minus 12 into brackets P minus 12 into bracket equal to 144. So here we consider the product of 144. We have 144 as equal to 144 multiplied by 1. Likewise, 1 multiplied by 1, 44. Then this can also give us 12 multiplied by 12 will as well give us 144. And we equate both expression at the left hand side with the equivalent at the right hand side. So we have q minus 12 into brackets p minus 12 is equal to 144 multiplied by 1. So here we are going to consider this as case 1, and case 2, and case 3. Okay, so we treat this first, equating this with this to get the value of p and q. So we have q minus 12 equal to 144. This implies that q will be equal to 144 plus 12, and that is equal to 156 will be given as q. So for this we have p minus 12 equal to 1. It implies that p will now be equal to 1 plus 12, which means p will be equal to 13. So here, for this case 1, our p plus q will now be 156 plus 13, which is equal to 169. Now considering case 2, where we have q minus 12 into brackets p minus 12 into brackets equal to 1 multiplied by 144. So here we have q minus 12 will be equal to 1. It implies that q will be equal to 1 plus 12, which is equal to 13. For p, we have p minus 12 will be equal to 144. So it implies that p will then be equal to 144 plus 12, and that will be given as 156 equal to p. So for case 2, we have p plus q to be equal to 156 plus 13. And that is equal to 169. Now solving for p plus q in case 3. So we have q minus 12 equal to 12. This implies that q will now be equal to 12 plus 12, which is equal to 24. Likewise, p minus 12 is equal to 12. Implies that p will be equal to 12 plus 12, which is equal to 24. So for case 3, we have p plus q is given as 12, is given as 24 plus 24, which is then equal to 48. So our overall value of P plus Q is given as P plus Q is equal to 169, or P plus Q is equal to 48. So here comes the end of the lesson. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you do, please subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell for future updates, and like this video. Likewise, share it to your loved ones that are in need of this knowledge. And I will see you in another interesting lesson. Bye for now.